In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a video on Vimeo. Whether you're looking to free up some space, remove outdated content, or simply tidy up your video library, understanding how to properly delete videos will streamline your Vimeo experience. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you need to log into your Vimeo account. Make sure you have your login credentials at hand. If you've forgotten your password, Vimeo provides an easy password recovery option. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Vimeo homepage or dashboard, depending on your settings. Next, navigate to your video library. This is where all your uploaded videos are stored. Your video library can be accessed by clicking on Videos in the top menu. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of your uploaded content. Browse through your collection and find the specific video you want to delete. Take your time to ensure you've selected the correct video, as deleting a video is a permanent action. Once you've selected the video you wish to delete, you need to look for the Options menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots, or labelled as the Settings button beneath the video. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu presenting various options concerning your video. This menu allows you to manage settings like privacy, description and keywords, but for now, let's focus on deleting the video. Scroll through the drop-down menu until you find the Delete Video option. The option is typically located toward the bottom, and selecting it is your next step. It's important to note that this action can't be undone, so be sure you're absolutely certain about removing the video before proceeding. After you click Delete Video, a confirmation message will appear. Vimeo asks you to confirm your decision by clicking Delete again. This step is crucial as it acts as a safeguard against accidental deletion. A gentle reminder here that once you confirm, the video is permanently removed from your account. There's no retrieving it, so double check if you are unsure. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted a video from your Vimeo account. Remember, it's a good idea to regularly manage your video library to keep it organized and ensure you only have the most relevant content available for viewers. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during this process, Vimeo's support page is a valuable resource, providing help and answering frequently asked questions about video management and other platform features. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and happy editing on Vimeo.